Hello, everyone. I'm James. Welcome back to Easy English for You. Today, I have my wonderful student Alice here with me. Alice, say hello to everyone.
Hi, everyone. I'm Alice. James, what are we going to talk about today?
Great question, Alice. Today, we're diving into something that confuses millions of English learners around the world. It's the battle between and the.
Oh no, that's my biggest problem.
Don't worry, Alice. By the end of today, you'll understand this like never before. And before we start, I want to thank our new membership supporters. Thank you to Brian Huang 2038, Denbagus 88, and Yongxian Lee 860 for joining us. Your support means the world to us.
Yes, thank you so much.
All right, let's get started. Alice, have you ever sent a message in English and wondered, should I use a or the here?
All the time, James. Sometimes I just skip it completely.
You're not alone. Here's the big idea for today. Understanding a and the isn't about memorizing grammar rules. It's about thinking like a native speaker. It's about seeing the world through English eyes.
English eyes? What do you mean?
Let me explain. When native speakers use a or the, they're not thinking about grammar. They're thinking about one simple question. Am I introducing something new, or am I talking about something we both already know?
Introducing versus already knowing?
Exactly, Alice. Think of a as opening a door to something for the first time. And the is like pointing at something that's already in the room with us.
Oh, that makes sense.
Let me give you a real-life example. Imagine you're walking down the street with your friend. Suddenly, you see something flying in the sky. You say, "Look, a bird."
Yes, a bird, because it's the first time we're seeing it.
Perfect, Alice. Now, your friend looks up and says, "Wow, the bird is so beautiful."
Ah, now it's the bird because we both know which bird we're talking about.
Exactly right. The bird went from being a bird to the bird in just seconds. This is the native speaker's mindset.
This is so different from what I learned in school.
I know, Alice. Most textbooks say a means one and the means specific. But that's too simple. It doesn't show you how to think. Let me share something deeper with you. In native speakers' minds, a creates a mental space. It says there are many possibilities, and this is one of them.
Many possibilities?
Yes. When I say, "I need a pen," my brain sees a world full of pens. Any pen will work. Red, blue, big, small, it doesn't matter.
So, means you don't care which one.
Exactly. But when I say, "Where's the pen?" something different happens. My brain has a specific pen in mind. Maybe it's the pen I always use. Maybe it's the pen you borrowed yesterday.
So, the means both people know exactly which one?
You're getting it, Alice. Now, here is where it gets really interesting. Native speakers use the when something becomes part of shared experience, even if it's the first time mentioning it.
Wait, what? Can you explain that again?
Of course. Listen to this sentence. I went to the store yesterday. Did I tell you which store before?
No, you didn't.
But I used the because in my neighborhood, there's one main store everyone knows. It's part of our shared world.
Oh, so the can mean the one we all know about.
Yes, this is what textbooks never teach. The connects to shared knowledge and shared experience. Let me give you another example. If I say, the weather is nice today, why do I use the?
Because there's only one weather?
Close! It's because we're both experiencing the same weather right now. It's our shared reality.
This is amazing.
Now, Alice, try to make a sentence using what you learned. Talk about going somewhere yesterday.
Okay. I go to library yesterday.
Ah, Alice, I love your effort. But let me help you fix 3 things here. First, yesterday tells us it's past, so we need went, not go. Second, we need an article before library. Now here's the question. Should it be a library or the library?
The library? Because it's the one near my house?
Perfect reasoning. So the correct sentence is, I went to the library yesterday.
I went to the library yesterday.
Beautiful, Alice. See how you're thinking like a native speaker now?
Yes, this feels so different.
Now, let me share a practical secret with you. This is something even native speakers don't consciously know. When you're unsure whether to use a or the, there's a safe choice. Use a.
Really? Why?
Because a is more forgiving. If you say a store, when you should say the store, people still understand you perfectly. But if you say the store, when it should be a store, it sounds like you're talking about something specific that your listener doesn't know. It creates confusion.
So A is safer.
Exactly. A keeps the door open. It's humble. It says, I'm introducing something, and I'm not assuming you know it. But here's the beautiful part. As you practice more, your brain will naturally start feeling when to use the. You'll develop an instinct.
How long does that take?
It depends on your practice. But I'll give you a brain science tip. Every time you read or listen to English, pay attention to a and the. Ask yourself, why did they choose this article? Is this introducing something new or pointing to something we know?
So I should notice it actively.
Yes. Your brain learns patterns through noticing. Here's a fun exercise you can do. When you watch a movie or a TV show in English, every time you hear the, pause for a second. Ask yourself, what makes this the instead of a? Do both people in the conversation know what they're talking about?
That sounds like a game.
It is, and games make learning fun. Seriously, Alice, language learning isn't about perfection. It's about progress. Every time you notice, every time you think, you're building your English brain.
I'm going to try this.
I know you will. Now, let me ask our viewers something. Have you ever been confused about a and the? What situations make you unsure? Please share your experiences in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you.
Yes, please tell us your stories.
Before we finish today, let me tell you about our next episode. We're going to explore a question many people ask. Does listening to English while sleeping really help you learn?
Oh, I've always wondered about that.
Well, you'll have to tune in to find out. And if you have any questions about sleep learning, write them in the comments. We'll address them in the next video.
Okay, let me review what we learned today. A is like opening a door to something new. The is like pointing at something we both already know. A means any one from many possibilities. The means that specific one we're both thinking about. And when we're not sure, it's safer to use a.
Excellent summary, Alice. I just want to add one more thing. The journey to understanding articles is a journey of understanding how English speakers see the world. Keep noticing, keep practicing, and trust the process. Thank you all for watching today. If you found this helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. And if you want to support us and get the PDF summary of today's lesson, join our membership. Members get exclusive materials that will boost your learning.
Thank you so much for being here with us.
One thing I want to say to our listeners is, listen to this episode multiple times. Each time, you'll understand more deeply. Thanks for watching, and as always, keep going and keep growing.
See you next time. Bye.